Aloha everybody, Mike Trutar back with another property tour. Today, I'm going to be touring a few properties. I'm going to upload these in a series for a few days. I'll have one video up a day here in Puu Lani Ranch. Now, a lot of you might not know much about Puu Lani Ranch. It's kind of right between Kona and Waimea on the upper road. You're at a really cool elevation. And you can probably hear the birds. There are birds everywhere up here. It's just a really great area. People like it up here because you're out in the country, but you're close to town. You have acreage on all these lots in here. Good value, really good size on the houses for the money, especially compared to Kona. And, you know, this elevation is just comfortable year round. So this house is our listing, this first one here. This is listed by Cindy Whittemore and Gerry Rott. We're 4 bedrooms, 3 baths, 2,332 square feet on 1.2 acres. Listed at 1.195. Real quick, you'll notice we have a 2-car garage and then we have a living space upstairs. So that's really cool. We have our main house over here. I said we got 1.2 acres, so plenty of space. They have some nice rockscape work out here and a couple lounge chairs, and those look right up at Mauna Kea, and it's a good spot for stargazing and everything. Plenty of parking, as you can see. They've brought in gravel over here to add all that in. You have emergency access over to the upper road, and we're going to make our way through here. I'm going to actually start off going upstairs above this garage here to this separate living space, and you'll see really quick that having that extra living space is kind of good for a few things. It gives you a lot of flexibility. I'm not sure how you would use it. I would consider using it as maybe a fun game room, TV room, little bar type area. Or you could do what these folks did and make it a guest suite. So this would be good when you have people over, or maybe have some older children who come back every once in a while and they need their own space. Really good for that. You can see that we have plenty of space in here. You got your own bathroom. There we are with our pedestal sink. Toilet, a little bit of storage over here on the side. Standard shower. The slide-in plastic unit right there. And lots of space. So basically the size of a 2-car garage up here. Plenty of windows looking out. So it still feels nice and light. Got a closet over here on the side. For the warm days, you are upstairs and you got the roof right above you with these vaulted ceilings. They got a portable AC unit. I gotta tell you though, the weather has just changed here in Kona, and it always happens about a week or two after Ironman, or when Ironman is scheduled, that the weather changes and it gets nice and cool, and it just happened. Oh look, we got a really good view of the solar photovoltaic panels. Here in Hawaii, you're paying about 38 cents a kilowatt hour for electricity, which is crazy high. And that's why you see so much solar PV out here, because that really cuts down on your cost. Look at all the work they did out here on the yard with the landscaping. See, we got asphalt shingles, fully guttered, though you don't get a ton of rain up here. It's actually quite pleasant. One of the other things that people like about it up here is that this climate is much less humid than you have over in Kona. All right, so we got a nice tile entry here, and 18 by 18 tiles here in the house. So let's pull up here. There's a few things in this kitchen that are unique. I like the color of the cabinets. You can see people driving right in. If you've got some neighbors coming, people coming to visit. See right here from your sink. Dual basin sink, stainless steel Whirlpool on the dishwasher, stainless steel LG French door refrigerator with drawer freezer on the bottom. And see, we got our sliding stainless front glass top on the stove oven with your same granite backsplash all the way up to your microwave. Really good work on that. Shaker style real wood cabinets. I like them. And then we do have our dovetail joints here on our cabinets. So check out, here's what's unique about this one is this granite. Now, I think I may have shown you one property that has leathered granite. This isn't leathered, it's brushed. And if you look really closely there, you can see that there's some texture. There it is. There's texture in this. So you can feel it's not like glazed smooth. It feels a little bit more like stone. That's a little bit extra getting that done. That's not standard on your granite. So the brushed granite look comes out really beautiful. Just a nice little touch that they have on there. When you walk in the front door, you saw that I came left. We have some storage right here in a closet, freestanding here in the center. We got our vaulted ceilings, plenty of space up top. Right over here to the side is our washer and dryer with a utility door going outside and a utility sink built right in there. So perfect working space. Good space here for your dining room table. I will also point out this house is sold furnished. There are a couple little staging items, but nothing that you're going to miss. And sold furnished, so bring your toothbrush and your suitcase and come live in Hawaii. I like what they've done here. A lot of people just use vertical blinds on this stuff, just those traditional plastic ones, which is what I have in my house, and I don't like them. Much better with these wood blinds vertically on the sliders. I like that. It's just a much nicer look. And then over here into our living room, we have those blinds over here on the windows and the sliding glass door, so it all blends in together. I think we're probably at about 14 foot high on the ceiling. Really nice, plenty of space in here, good furniture. This really is move-in ready. I like they've done a job with the surround sound. You see one speaker up over there and another one in the corner here, so you get that full movie experience when you're sitting here watching your TV. Good access to the kitchen, good access to the dining room, so we're all connected, which is what everyone's looking for. Real quick, I showed you that slider. Let's go ahead and check out one thing that I also like about this house. It has a massive amount of outdoor living space. It's covered lanai. So lots of room here on that lanai. Had a 6-person table and plenty of extra space. You could just fit a ton there. Coming in here through the bedroom wing of the house. So this bedroom's set up as an office, but it is definitely big enough to put a king or queen size bed in here. Plenty of space, nice big windows, plenty of light, plenty of airflow. There I am today. We've got our mirrored closet door and vaulted ceilings in here as well. I'd say we're looking at about 12 by 13, maybe 13 by 13 in here. So plenty of space in this bedroom. There's our guest bathroom. And then we have 2 storage areas, one over here, another one over here, and then on the other side it was notched in. Bedroom number 2, they have this also set up as a little office guitar room, sitting room. This looks maybe a touch bigger than the last one. I'd say maybe 14 by 12. 13 by 12. That's a little bit larger there, so that's really good. And then coming through to the owner's bedroom. So I really like how this one is set up. So we have our beds here. We have plenty of windows bringing light in from the outside out to that covered lanai that we were just at. So there's where that dining room table is from the covered lanai. But then over here, we have our walk-in closet, plenty of space there. I hope that's coming out. I'm going to blur this a little bit to maintain the privacy of the folks and their personal belongings, but we have some pretty nice built-ins with drawers, areas for your shoes, a hanger side for shirts for men, And another hanger side over here. And I think you can adjust some of these to put in the longer dresses, which is always required. And then we have this nice little built-in right here. You can do a lot of different things in that spot. And then continuing on to the owner's bathroom. They've really done a nice job here. So we have a massive walk-in shower. Check that out. I like the trim or the accent they've done here, going vertically and horizontally. With a nice little foot bench right there. I know the ladies like that for shaving their legs. Oh look, you got a handle here. Well, we're all going to need that eventually. So if you don't think you will, don't kid yourself. Dual vanities on here. That's the same countertop that we saw in our other bathroom. Plenty of space in here. It would take some work, but you can consider doing something else in that space, or even making your shower a little bit larger if you wanted to. And then again, access back out here to that outdoor lanai area. One other thing I want to point out here is that we have a fully fenced in area for the puppies. So there you go. You got that as well, and it's not little. There's plenty of space there for them. All right, I'm going to check out a couple more homes here in Puu Lani Ranch. I hope you are going to check those out with me in the coming days. And I got more videos for you right now. Click like and subscribe, and I'll see you again real soon. Aloha.